1 minus 4 equals negative 3, and again 1 minus 4 equals negative 3, and multiplying negative 3 by negative 3 gives 9, but this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS order of operations. PEMDAS is an acronym that shows the order of operations in math. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Operations inside parentheses and exponents are done first, then multiplication/division, and finally addition/subtraction from left to right. Multiplication and division, as well as addition and subtraction, have equal priority. Thank you for staying with us until now. By subscribing and liking, you give us the energy to create even better content. Before solving, try to solve the problem yourself first and then share your answer in the comments. According to the order of operations, PEMDAS, we first solve inside the parentheses. Here, the value inside the parentheses equals minus 3. Next, we perform multiplication. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 3 equals 12. Finally, we add 1 and 12, which gives 13. That's all for this one. Join our growing community by subscribing today. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next.